Hello audience, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm SpyBadZ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect GCam for your Android device, whatever your Android device is. But it should be an API enabled device, that's it. So let's get started right after the intro. So guys, to find the perfect GCam and download the perfect GCam for your Android device, you have to just follow my steps. First of all, open the Play Store and search for the GCameter named app and just simply install the app and then open it up. As you open it up here, you will automatically see the camera 2 API module is enabled or disabled in your mobile. If it is enabled, then you can get the GCam in your Android phone. It will automatically detect the Android phone and download the GCam. After you click at the start download button, then you can just simply tap on the start download button. But if your GCameter app does not find a perfect GCam for your device, then you have to tap on this icon and then you can manually search for your device and start downloading. And after it's downloaded, you will see this kind of interface over here. Then you have to simply tap on the install button to install it. But if you don't want to install it now, then you can follow my steps to install it later. You have to go to file manager and then phone storage or internal storage and then find the GCameter app folder from there, and there will be your APK downloaded and ready to use. But if you still don't find that APK, then don't do this. Install it at the time it's giving you the pop-up to install. Don't install it later. I hope you understand. Now, as you guys can see, I have completely installed this GCam application in my device. This was a lot simple and very easy. But now I will also show you the features of this GCam, and I will also compare this GCam with the stock camera of your device. So now, as you guys can see, I've opened this GCam and it has a photo mode, portrait mode, video mode, and also a night sight. In your video mode, you get a time lapse and a slow-mo. You have a panorama and a photosphere option that is pretty interesting in this GCam. So now let's compare the photos that I took with my Oppo F19 stock camera and then the GCam in my Oppo F19 device. But before that, let me show you some features of this GCam. First of all, you get a focus option here. Then you can focus autofocus, or you can focus 2 persons or many persons or also infinite persons. Now this is a really cool option. And then you get a ratio option. Some people just make it to 16:9, but that's wrong. The image quality gets worse with 16:9. You have to always keep it on 4:3. Now here you guys see a settings option, and in it you can set the device storage, gestures, framing, and also the grid type. You can also enable the grid lines on your GCam, and you can also get a force 4K 60 FPS recording with this GCam, and this is just awesome. And now let's test some photos and compare them with the stock camera and with the GCam. Now this is a photo taken with my Oppo F19 stock camera, and this is a photo taken with the GCam. You can clearly note the difference between the photos. GCam takes a much brighter and a better photo as compared to the stock camera. Now let me show you some plants. Now this is a photo taken with the stock camera, and this is the photo taken with the GCam. You can clearly note the green color. The GCam shows much more better colors than your stock camera. As you guys can see, it is showing yellow leaves, but GCam is showing green leaves. Now here this photo is taken by the stock camera. As you guys can see, it is not adjusting the brightness of the outdoor, and it is not showing proper colors. Now this photo is taken by GCam. It properly adjusts the brightness and also shows more good colors of the car. Now this is a photo taken with the stock camera, and this one is a photo taken with the GCam. Sometimes the stock camera is good and sometimes the GCam. Now this one is a photo taken with a stock camera, and this one is the photo taken by the GCam. Now if you still don't understand the difference, then let me compare them side by side. Now with this side by side comparison, I hope you guys have properly understood what's the difference between a stock cam and a GCam. The simple words about GCam are it's really great. If you have a phone, install the GCam in it, and then it will be a total magic. Another thing I liked about the GCam is that it has a great built-in editor that helps you edit the photos automatically, or you can also manually adjust the photos, and you can get a lot of filters in this GCam. And here I will show you some basic editing. Here first of all you see an edit option, that just tap on it. Here is an enhance option, you can tap on it to automatically adjust the photos according to the need. But if you want to manually adjust them, I will show you some basic editing here. Now here you can adjust brightness, contrast, white point, black point, and even denoise the photo, and you can increase shadows, highlights, everything you do in Adobe Lightroom or Snapseed. You can customize your photo and adjust everything in this GCam edit. In this clip you can also learn that how to edit some photos with the GCam and how I edited my photo. Here you can sharpen up the photo, and you can also vignette the photo if you want, and here is also a denoise option. And some photos are good when they are vignetted, and the pop option means that the sharpness and clarity of the photo. For example, here are some scratches on my car that get sharpened up and get more visible with the pop effect. Now you can get a bunch of filters over here. There's a lot of filters including vivid, warm, and also there are very nice filters. You can also adjust the amount of filter and the opacity of the filters. For example, you can set it manually like that, and the brightness of the filters too. In this built-in GCam editor you get a markup option, and you can also share your image to other editing apps. You get the warm and cool option over here to warm up your photo or make it even cooler. And now this is the final picture that I have saved after editing, and this is the one before edited. There's another feature called lens that directly scans your image and tells what object is in the image. For example, it identified my plant, and it also tells the price of my plant very easily when I tap on it. So guys, that's all I wanted to tell you about this GCam. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like my video, and make sure to subscribe my channel. It supports a lot. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.